Good day, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to calculate the expected value of a game of chance. Suppose you play a game of chance in which the numbers are fixed from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 10 numbers. A computer randomly selects 5 numbers from 0 to 9 with replacement. You, you play you pay. It should be you pay $2 to play and could profit 100,000. So you pay $2 to play and could profit 100,000 if you match all 5 numbers. You get $2 back, and on top of that you win 100,000 if you could match all 5 numbers. So over the long run, what is the expected profit of playing this game? Okay, so let's do it over here. Solution. Okay. The probability of matching the first number. The first number is 1 out of 10 because there are 10 numbers and 1 out. Now, remember this game is played with replacement. So whatever number you drew between 0 and 9, you put it back in the pile and then the computer again draws another number. So probability of matching the second number is also 1 out of 10. Now, similarly, probability of matching the third number, because this is played with replacement, that also will remain constant at 1 over 10. And similarly, probability of matching the fourth number is equal to 1 over 10, and probability of matching the fifth number is also 1 over 10, because every time we are replacing the ball that we picked up or number we picked up back in the pile, and then the computer picks up another number. So what you drew on the, or what the computer drew on the first trial will not influence what the computer draws on the second trial. And what the computer draws on the second trial will not influence what the computer will draw in the third trial, and so forth. So each of these events, matching the first number, matching the second number, matching the third number, matching the fourth number, and matching the fifth number, are independent events. Okay, so probability of matching all 5 numbers, then only you get the prize, right? Matching all 5 numbers is equal to probability of matching first times probability of matching the second. This is multiplied because these are independent events. So probability of independent events, they get matched when they're combined together. Probability of matching second times probability of matching third multiplied by probability of matching fourth times probability of matching fifth Why do the probabilities get multiplied? Because what you drew in the first draw will not influence what the computer will draw in the second draw, will not influence what the computer does on the third draw. So these are all independent events. When we have independent events, probability of matching 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, the individual probabilities get multiplied. So probability of matching all five numbers is equal to 1/10 multiplied by 1/10 multiplied by 1/10 multiplied by 1/10 multiplied by 1/10 is equal to 1/10 to the power of 5. That is the probability of matching all five numbers. And remember, you gain $2 that you have paid to play the game, plus you win 100,000 when you match all five numbers. So let's make a table. Okay, so let's create some space for us. Let's move this up a little bit. Okay. So we'll make a list of table actually, probability, then X, which is the value won or lost. And so we will multiply probability P times X. Okay, this is multiplication, P multiplied by X. So this is a table we are going to make. So the probability of matching all five numbers in 1 out of 10 to the power of 5. Okay. So, and the value you will win is 100,000. That is the price. Plus you'll get your $2 back if you match all the numbers. And the probability of that happening, I already told, is 1. So here in this column, we are multiplying the probability with the value of X. So this will be 1 time divided by 10 to the power of 5, and 100,000, 2 is the value. Okay. And the remaining times you are going to lose, right? You are going to lose $2 because you're not winning. And how many times will that happen? This will be 1 minus 1 over 10 to the power of 5. That is the probability. Why? Because the probability of winning is 1, 10 to the power of 5. So the complement event of losing, the probability is 1 minus probability of the event, 1 minus. So remember here we are using law of complement for probability. Complement events. So losing is complement to winning, and its probability is 1 minus the probability of the actual event. So 1 minus 1 over 10 to the power of 5. And what is the value of that loss is minus 2. So P times X in this case is minus 2 times 1 minus 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so now we are going to find the expected value or mu. Okay, expected value or mean, and we basically add the p times x column. Okay, so this is the column we are going to add, p times x. Why? Because expected value is given by the formula summation of x times px. So if I create some more space, okay, so the expected value will be 1 over 10 to the power of 5 times 102,000, sorry, 100,002, because you got the $2 back for playing the game. So that is the value times the probability is 1 divided by 10 to the power of 5. And the next one will be a negative minus 2 times 1 minus 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so this is equal to 100,002 divided by 10 to the power of 5 is 100,000 also, is equal to 1.00002 minus 2. Let's do it this way. So in parentheses, I can write 1 minus 10 to the power of 5 in the denominator means 1 exponent. Exponent is, you can use second comma, will give you the exponent. And there you put in minus next to the enter, and then close the parenthesis. So what did I do inside the parenthesis? 1 minus 1, and then I got the parenthesis by or the exponent. I need the exponent. Okay, so this basically becomes 1 minus 1 exponent minus 5 times 2. Okay, and creating a little bit more space. So this is again 1.00002 minus 1 minus 1 exponent minus 5 times 2, okay, is minus 1.999, 4 nines and 8. So the expected value then becomes 0, 2. The expected value becomes minus 0.9999, which is equal to minus 1.0. So what does it mean? It means on the average, you can expect to lose because it's negative $1 in playing this game. So the key concepts here, the matching all the 5 numbers are independent. So probability of matching all 5 numbers That means probability of matching 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 is equal to probability of matching 1 times probability of matching 2 times probability of matching 3 times probability of matching 4 times probability of matching 5. This concept is used because these are independent events. So that probability is 1 divided by 10 to the power of 5 or 1 exponent minus 5. That is the probability. Now we made a table of probability corresponding X value, and the third column is probability. I should write here, probability is P. So this is the P column. P times X in the third column. So probability of matching all 5 numbers is 1 exponent 10 to the power of 5. And if you do that, you win 100,000 plus $2 back for the money you paid to play this game. So your total gain in that case is $100,002. And that will be multiplied by probability of 1 over 10 to the power of 5. Okay. And probability of losing. What is the probability? If your probability of winning is 1 times 1 divided by 10 to the power of 5, then losing is the complement event. So probability of the complement event is 1 minus probability of that event. So it is 1 minus 1 over 10 to the power of 5. And how much are you losing? $2, because that's the money you paid to play the game. So probability multiplied by the amount is minus 2 times 1 minus 1 over 10 to the power of 5. Now expected value is given by sum of the multiplication of X values times probability. So we do the calculations. 1 divided by 10 to the power of 5 probability of winning times 100,002 minus $2 losing times the probability of losing is 1 minus 1 over 10 to the power of 5. If you do the calculations correctly, you will see that on the long run or on the average, you will lose $1 by playing this game. Okay. So I will stop here today. If you have any question, comment, please write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, please let your friends know about it. And you and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I'll come back next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a nice day. See you next time.